Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano accompaniment part to I'm Not the Only One by Sam Smith. So because this one is so repetitious, I'm not going to do a full playthrough at the end, but I will sing each section and sort of show you how a couple of the sections connect together. Again, just because it's quite samey most of the way through. If you want to see the full chord song lyric structure, that's linked in the description in the comments below. Hello, my name is Francesca and I'm the teacher here at Bitesize Piano. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'd love to have you here learning from my piano tutorials. Please give the video a like if you enjoy it and that it's useful. I do take piano tutorial requests, so if you would like to request one from me, stick around to the end of the video with our instructions on how you can do that. Here on Bitesize Piano I make all sorts of tutorials, so go have a rummage around my channel, see what else you can learn, make sure to hit the notifications bell, and I've left a few playlists in the description below to get you started. Thank you to everyone who chooses to support Bitesize Piano on Patreon and other avenues. Let's dive in. This one is in the key of F major, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of F major. So the melody and the chords are mostly formed using those notes. So it's quite a bluesy one, this one. So we've got a few of these in there. I'm going to go through the intro first, which also makes up the verse and a large chunk of the choruses as well. So I've tried to be as accurate as I can about the chords and the voicings of them, so it sounds as much like what's in the track as possible. So here is middle C for reference. So you can see that it's we're playing mostly below middle C here. So the intro, you're gonna place your second finger on A flat and your 3 on A. And we're gonna flick from A flat to A. And then I'm gonna play 2 Cs. And then back to A. So we have. And then with that, you're just gonna hold an F down in the left hand. And then we're going to play 2 A major chords, so A in the bass, and it's specifically second inversion of A major. So it's E, A, and C sharp, like that. And then all you're going to do is bring your little finger to D, move your thumb into F, and then we've got a D minor chord, so first inversion, and then a D in the bass. And then you're going to play that again in the right hand, but then you're going to change to a B flat in the left hand. So this actually makes up a B flat major 7 chord. So I'll do what we've done so far, slowly. So I'm going to do that and count at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you do that again. And then the last time is similar. And then when you change to the B flat, you're going to change the A to a B flat as well. So we just have a B flat major chord there. And the last little bit, we've got C, A, F. And you're going to come play C in the left hand, and in the right hand you've got C major first inversion, so E, G, C, and play that twice. And then play F and C and F, C and A in the right hand. No, F and A in the right hand. So I'll just play all of the intro for you, because of course there's no singing in this bit. And then you're going to play all of that again 2 more times for the verse. So I'm just going to demonstrate the verse and sing for you now, because it's exactly that. sun and I've had my doubts, denying every tear. I wish this would be over now, but I know that I still need you here. And then it's into the chorus, so I'll go through that with you first. So you say I'm crazy. So the first bit is the same. If you want now to amp it up a bit, you could include octaves in the left hand if you can reach them. The first bit is the same, so I'll just sing and play what's the same so far as we've done already. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done, but when you come to this here, so we've got call me baby, so we've got like a descending progression there. When you hit the D minor, so call, and then you're going to move to F major over C in the left hand, me on me, and then on baby you're going to play B flats in the left hand, and then D, F and B flat in the right hand, baby. And then I know I'm not the only one, so we've got it's similar, I know I'm not the, so it's kind of singing those notes, I know I'm not the, and then we've got next on only, so we have C's in the left hand and the B flat major chord in the right hand, so B flat major over C, only one, back to F, and then you play that B flat over C once more before it goes into the verse, second verse. So I'll just demonstrate all of that chorus. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done, but when you call me baby, you know I'm not the only one. And then straight onto the second verse, which is half the length of the first one. So I'm just going to continue. You've been so unavailable. Now sadly I know why. Your heart is unobtainable, even though you don't share mine. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done, but when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. And now we're into the bridge. So the bridge then is where we're singing, I have loved you for many years, maybe I am just not enough. So there's no new chords in this section. So we've got, the first chord is the B flat major 7. So it first goes, I have loved you for many years, to an F. And then we've got A major, maybe I am just not enough, D minor to C major, B flat major this time, you've made me realize my deepest fear, to F. And then we've got the B flat major over C, by lying and tearing us up. So I'll do all that again. I have loved you for many years, maybe I am just not enough. You've made me realize my deepest fear, my lying and tearing us up. And then it's into the chorus 2 more times. You say I'm crazy, when you go to repeat the chorus for the second time, you don't go back to that B flat over C, you just stay on the F, and then it continues. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done, but when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. And now we're into the outro, so it does all of that again. There's only a couple of very minor differences, and he's sort of ad-libbing, I know I'm not the only one. So I'll just demonstrate that, and the exact chords are on the screen, so it's a couple of very, very minor differences. And I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. And I know, 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 and I know I'm not the only one. So the difference is there. When we go and do this quick succession of chords, instead of it being a B flat major, it's a B flat major 7, and then it ends on the, and then just rests on the F. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you'd like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.